introducing the Lifetime Stealth 110 with a 5-year limited warranty and a weight capacity of over 300 pounds. If you're looking for a budget kayak, it doesn't get any better than this brand right here. This kayak comes with a smart flow scupper hole where as soon as the water pressure pushes up on the bottom of the kayak, it actually lifts the scuppers up and plugs the scupper holes itself. For a fishing kayak in the budget category, it comes standard equipped with a rod holder in the front and 2 flush mount rod holders in the back. Ample amounts of storage for all your gear. I have storage for the front of the kayak, and I also have storage on the back, and the back storage is ginormous. I could fit a tent, sleeping bag. I mean, on whatever adventure you want to go on, this thing's going to hold a very large amount of weight. So when I was paddling this around, one thing I did notice is that it tracks super well. It's actually pretty quick in the water, and I've had a lot of kayaks in my day, and I'm actually really surprised at how well this one has been doing. And to top it all off, the worst part about having a kayak is getting it to the water. This kayak itself weighs 59 pounds, and it's actually about 20 pounds lighter than my last kayak, and it measures in at 11 feet. Usually, once you get over a 10-foot kayak, they get really bulky, but this kayak actually has a wheel built into the skeg of the kayak that will roll as you carry it down to the water. So the days of wrenching your back trying to lift a heavy kayak, those days are over. So highly recommend you guys check out the Stealth 110, get you one today.